What is next for Cardano? So last night I made a video on Cardano with this 6-hour chart, and I was filming down here at about the $2.34 range. And I was saying that this looks very juicy because we've got kind of like a bullish divergence here. I mean, we kind of have a flat price action, but we have a bullish momentum oscillators. We've got a green dot here at Market Cipher, it's in the red, but there's some conflicting indications here as well. We just broke bearish. Market Cipher A ribbon, EMA ribbon is bearish, but also we can look at the Fibonacci's and we can see that there is really strong support at around the $2.34 range down to about $2.12 or so. There's really strong support there, and it looks like we're holding the 200 EMA on the 6-hour chart. Now, another thing I want to show you is the Cardano to Bitcoin chart. We know that it looks like Bitcoin just got a golden cross and could kick off the second leg of this bull run in the next upcoming weeks, probably sometime in October. And if it consolidates, I mean, obviously Cardano could go up against Bitcoin, but once Bitcoin starts to go up drastically, then Cardano is going to bleed against Bitcoin. But the price action, it looks like there is a double bottom pattern forming here potentially. And obviously on the momentum oscillator, looks like we're getting somewhat of a bullish indication here. We've got an anchor wave and a trigger wave here as well. We're in the red. RSIs are oversold, and it is below about the 35 line right now. Those are all bullish signs on the 6-hour chart. And so if this does indeed break to the upside, that would give us a target of about 7,000 Satoshis for Cardano against Bitcoin. But it's hard to tell right now because obviously we've got strong support areas, but also this could bleed. We could see if Bitcoin starts to go up, we're going to see altcoins stagnate a little bit. And on top of that, there is more room to the downside for Cardano against the US dollar. I mean, we did break bearish, and there are a lot of people calling for a $2 Cardano. A lot of people think it's going to dump more. A lot of people think Bitcoin's going to dump more, could go back down to like the $40,000 area. And if that happens, obviously Cardano is going to be dragged down by Bitcoin. We could see maybe a $1.90 Cardano. Maybe it wicks down past to these areas. When I initially made my video, you can see the price action did actually go up from when I made that video last night. I said it looked really juicy, and we did have a pump. We pumped about 9%. But again, you know, we have some downwards pressure as well. So it's a little choppy right now. But I did want to show you the potential upside to this double bottom pattern on the Cardano to Bitcoin chart. Because if this does break out, I mean, if Bitcoin can just consolidate a little longer, I mean, ADA could bounce. I mean, ADA could see a pretty significant rise. And if that does indeed play out from where Cardano is at now, if we do in fact hit that target, that would be about a 39% move, almost a 40% move. And if we saw a 40% move from the Cardano to US dollar pair, that would give us approximately a $3.39 Cardano against the US dollar. So it just really depends on what Bitcoin does here, but you know, obviously we've got to just pay attention. We've got to watch the charts closely. It does look like we're getting some bullish indicators here, at least on the 6-hour chart, and these are classic buy signs. It's in the red. Money flow is in the red. Momentum oscillators, we've got an anchor and a trigger wave. RSIs are oversold. VWAP is actually coming down, but it is over the zero line right now. Could easily come back up. So these are typical buying signs, basic strategy buying signs for Market Cipher. So if you want to learn more about how to trade, how to find profitable altcoins, be sure to get on my email list for my course, Crypto Trading Secrets. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at A Pure Escobar. Of course, if you like the big gains, like, subscribe, follow, and give me a comment down below. What do you think Cardano is going to go next? And the last thing, stay fucking savage.